Hello, Chet Porter with MarineMax of Savannah. I just want to take a moment to introduce you to the 32 Aviara that we just got in inventory. This particular boat is light blue with the gray interior, and back here you have battery switches and tons of storage. Battery charger is built on the boat, into the boat, and then you have freshwater showers back here and additional storage in all three of these compartments. Plenty of cup holders in the back, storage in the walk-through. Also, you have an entry lighting system that you can press at nighttime when you're getting on and off the boat. These boats also come standard with this cool seating features that goes all the way across the transom of the boat. All three of these lift up to sit on, make very comfortable seating when you're out or anchored. Moving into the boat, on the starboard side, we have storage here, sink, bottle storage, a large storage compartment underneath for life jackets or whatever you may try to store in there. Also here you have a Aviara cooler, a Yeti-like cooler. There's also one of these over here on the port side. Storage compartment there. Storage throughout all the way around the boat. Plenty of handholds, lighting. They do a real good job of hiding the speakers in these grills, so you're not looking at just a speaker that was mounted somewhere. Here's another example of how they hide the stereo speakers. You got phone holders here with plug-ins, so you have a place to stow your phone instead of just being set up on the dash. It's really nice. And moving forward to the bow area, Aviara does a great job on their cushions and seating. These cushions, as you can see, are very thick. There's probably almost 6 inches of thickness in the seats here, and storage throughout all the way around the bow area with stereo remote controls. There's also a filler piece that you can get where I'm standing that would fill this in and make this a complete sun pad. Then up forward you have windlass and remote control for that. Gas assisted shock keeps that out of your way when you're operating the windlass. Before I'll show you to the head area. For a 32-foot boat, this head area is actually pretty large. Nice heavy anchor spot here that keeps the door from closing. A heavy-duty magnet there. And lots of room in here. The head, I can actually stand up with no problem. There's storage compartments throughout, and then an overboard pump out in here for your waste system. Forward towards the head, you have a control system. It's a Simrad screen that controls all of your music, any functions that you want to do on the boat, lighting, courtesy lighting, hardtop, any the lighting accessories are red, blue, green. You can change the colors. You can have them turn off and on, engine compartment, anything that you want to do. There's also a diagnostic system that you can check and see if there's any current alarms going on the boat. This boat has the Simrad screen, and then a secondary screen. We have this one on the engine functionality. You can also change this one to do that same thing and configure it however you want. Active trim and the new binnacle that we have here. So that's easy to do. Trims the motors up and down for you. And then the auto trim tab system keeps the boat nice and level. Aviara really has a fancy leather wrapped steering wheel that they use. The seats again have the thick cushioning. Your VHF is tucked away over here in a nice spot out of your way. Nice Simrad. And then this boat is equipped with joystick piloting, which includes a skyhook and autopilot. So hard top. You know, this boat really has a lot of features that make this a great day boat. So if you have any questions about the 32 Aviara, call Chet Porter, MarineMax Savannah, 912-525-0961. Thank you.